unveiling the echoes of ancient wisdom. Hello and welcome, cosmic explorers, to our enchanting journey into the realms of ancient myths and modern science. Today we set off on an adventure that connects long-forgotten legends with vibrant scientific discoveries. Imagine the spark of curiosity that led early humans to create powerful stories explaining the mysteries of the universe. In this video, we will explore timeless tales from around the globe, presenting them in simple language that anyone can understand. Our ancestors used myths to explain celestial events and natural wonders using imaginative stories filled with symbolism. You might have heard of the Hindu myth of Om, the sound considered to be the origin of creation, or the Norse legend of Ginnungagap, a vast void between fire and ice that birthed all life. Although these stories may seem like mere fables, they contain basic ideas about the cosmos that continue to inspire us today. As you watch, picture the stars not only as distant lights but also as elements of a grand narrative woven throughout human history. We will break down complex ideas into foundational concepts, ensuring that every term is clear and approachable. No confusing jargon here, just creative, vivid imagery that makes science feel like an exciting adventure. So grab your favorite drink, settle in, and prepare to explore a universe where the magic of ancient tales meets the logic of modern discovery. Throughout this video, we simplify even the most intricate ideas so that everyone, regardless of background, can follow along. We believe that every myth carries hints of truth and serves as a stepping stone toward understanding our world. Let curiosity guide you as we reveal how old stories and new discoveries shine together, lighting the path to knowledge and wonder. Join us as we embark on this delightful exploration of ancient wisdom and cutting-edge science. Today we blend old-world mysticism with modern discovery to spark inspiration, offering both insight and entertainment in a warm and inviting atmosphere. Let every word spark your imagination as you explore the universe with us. Together, we uncover the secrets hidden in myth and science alike. Engaging the audience, have you ever wondered why people from completely different parts of the world seem to share similar stories about the origins of everything? Imagine cultures separated by mountains, oceans, and time, yet all telling tales that echo the same cosmic mysteries. In this video, we invite you to join a vibrant dialogue with history and science. As you listen, consider how legends from ancient civilizations might be more than just fairy tales. They are the early attempts to explain the world using creative narratives. Reflect on the idea that these ancient stories carry hints of universal truths, connecting us to a deeper, shared human experience. Picture yourself sitting around a campfire in prehistoric times, listening to elders recounting the creation of the world through mesmerizing myths. Now, fast forward to today, where modern science uses observations of the stars and nature to construct explanations about our universe. The birth of the Big Bang and the mysteries of dark matter might not be exactly the same as a myth, yet they both speak to our eternal curiosity about where we come from. Share your favorite myth in the comments and join our lively discussion connecting ancient wonder with modern discovery. Mythological insights into cosmic phenomena. Throughout human history, people have looked at the sky in wonder and created stories that explain how the universe came into being. Many cultures have celebrated the idea of a beginning with powerful myths that speak directly to the mysteries of creation. In the Hindu tradition, for example, the primordial sound, Om, is believed to have emerged before the universe existed, symbolizing the starting note from which everything evolved. This simple idea reflects, in a creative way, the concept that the universe began from a single, powerful moment of creation. Another striking example comes from Norse mythology, where the vast emptiness known as Ginnungagap lies between fiery and icy realms. In this myth, the clash of extreme forces sparked the birth of life as we know it. This story, told in simple and vivid imagery, has an echo in modern cosmology, where scientists speak of the early universe as a place of intense energy and contrasts that eventually cooled to form stars and planets. Though ancient storytellers did not have telescopes or laboratories, they observed natural events and expressed their wonder through narrative and metaphor. Many mythologies also describe the rhythmic motion of the heavens. The Greek myth of Helios driving his sun chariot across the sky is a poetic way of capturing the daily journey of the sun. While today we understand that the sun produces energy through nuclear fusion, the myth still teaches us about the power and reliability of the light it provides. Similarly, constellations that our ancestors imagined as heroes, animals, or legendary beasts continue to help us connect with the night sky. They serve both as practical guides for navigation and as artistic expressions of human creativity. These ancient narratives often focus on cycles. For example, Some indigenous cultures speak of time as a repeating circle, where beginnings continuously lead to new opportunities and endings merge into fresh starts. This view is not far from ideas in modern science such as the cyclical nature of star births and deaths. By carefully observing the patterns of the natural world, our forebears created stories that capture the eternal rhythm of existence. In blending simple observation with imaginative storytelling, ancient myths offer a timeless window into the natural laws that still govern our universe. Their universal themes help us understand that every creation, alteration, and renewal holds a meaning that connects us all. By exploring these myths with fresh eyes, we learn about how our ancestors viewed the world and the fundamental questions that still inspire scientists today. These simple stories remind us that human curiosity drives us to understand and explore nature. Even without modern tools, early cultures observed the sky, changing seasons, and life cycles to build narratives filled with wonder. Their accounts capture a spirit of inquiry that continues to push the boundaries of knowledge. As you listen, let these foundational myths inspire you to see the world as a place of endless possibility, where every natural phenomenon tells its own enchanting story with passion. Scientific discoveries echoing ancient tales. Modern scientific discoveries sometimes remind us of the wisdom found in ancient myths, forging an unexpected link between past and present. Today, researchers have uncovered evidence that much of what we now explore in physics and astronomy was once expressed as rich metaphor in age-old stories. For instance, scientists now believe that a mysterious substance known as dark matter makes up a significant part of the universe. Although dark matter remains invisible to us, its effects are evident in the way galaxies spin. This invisible force resonates with ancient ideas about unseen powers that shape the world, ideas that were once narrated through myth rather than measured by instruments. Quantum mechanics, which explores the tiniest particles of matter, has also revealed a world where everything is deeply interconnected. This concept mirrors Eastern philosophies that describe existence as a network of continuous relationships. In many ancient cultures, the idea of an endless net of life, sometimes symbolized as Indra's net, encapsulated the belief that each part of the universe reflects the whole. In a similar way, scientists now study how particles interact instantly over vast distances, hinting at a mysterious interconnectedness. Even in medicine, ancient insights are making a modern comeback. Traditional practices like meditation, yoga, and Ayurvedic healing, which focus on balancing mind and body, are now supported by scientific research. Studies show that these age-old methods can reduce stress, improve health, and even strengthen the immune system. Such findings remind us that ancient wisdom often held kernels of truth, long before modern science could verify them. Another fascinating intersection lies in our understanding of Earth itself. The ancient concept of Gaia, which views the Earth as a living, breathing organism, has inspired recent ecological studies emphasizing the interconnected nature of all life. This holistic view helps scientists develop better strategies for preserving our planet's delicate ecosystems. The idea that our world is part of a greater, dynamic system is a thread that runs through both myth and modern research. By connecting the dots between these ancient tales and modern discoveries, we see that the division between myth and science is not as wide as it might first seem. Both approaches capture the human desire to understand and to find meaning in the world around us. Today, scientific inquiry continues to bring to light mysteries that our ancestors expressed in poetic, visionary language. As we probe further into the depths of space and time, these resonances between old and new remind us that the quest for knowledge is timeless, inspiring, and ever-evolving. Every discovery in science uncovers another layer of mystery, much like the layers of meaning in a myth. These modern insights, whether they reveal hidden forces of nature or unexpected ways in which particles interact, deepen our appreciation for the timeless narratives handed down through generations. As we explore these connections, we grow more aware of the beautiful continuity between storytelling and scientific inquiry, inviting us to celebrate knowledge with both a logical mind and an inspired heart. Beyond confirmation, a new perspective on knowledge. At first glance, ancient myths might seem to belong solely to the realm of art and storytelling, far removed from the precise world of science. Yet, when we look closer, we find that both myth and science share an essential human drive: the need to understand our world. Myths provide symbolic insights that capture emotions and abstract ideas which are sometimes difficult to define with numbers or experiments. They offer a vocabulary of the soul, expressing our place in the cosmos in a way that sparks both thought and imagination. Modern science, on the other hand, seeks to explain the workings of nature by using observations, experiments, and logical reasoning. Although its language may appear different, the goal is remarkably similar. Both approaches ask profound questions. Why do we exist? How did the universe come into being? In many ways, the stories of old are early attempts at answering these questions, using the medium available at the time, vivid imagery and narrative. Rather than dismissing ancient myths as outdated or irrelevant, embracing them can enrich our understanding. They remind us that before the advent of modern tools, people used creativity and keen observation to make sense of the world. Today, scientists build on this legacy by combining rigorous methods with imaginative thinking. By considering myth alongside scientific discovery, we create a holistic perspective that honors both the emotional and rational dimensions of knowledge. This synthesis encourages us to remain curious, to look for connections between disparate ideas, and to appreciate that the search for truth often transcends traditional boundaries. Recognizing the value in both myths and science opens up new ways of seeing our world, enriching our experience and deepening our understanding of existence. Ultimately, the interplay between myth and science offers us a broader canvas on which to explore life's mysteries. When we combine poetic storytelling with careful observation, we discover that every question asked in ancient times finds echoes in today's scientific inquiries. This blended view not only celebrates human creativity but also offers a more complete picture of reality, inviting us to see beauty in both art and data. In embracing both the poetic spirit and the scientific method, we open doors to endless discoveries that continuously shape our understanding of life and the universe. A universe of wonder and mystery. In wrapping up our exploration, we come full circle to appreciate the deep connections between ancient myths and modern science. Throughout this video, we have journeyed from the simple, creative stories of early civilizations to the groundbreaking discoveries of today's scientists. Every myth, every legend, shares a common goal with science: to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos and to help us understand the nature of existence. Whether it is the hypnotic rhythm of the sun crossing the sky or the enigmatic pull of unseen forces like dark matter, each narrative takes us one step closer to comprehending our universe. Our adventure shows that while the methods have changed, from oral storytelling by the flickering light of a campfire to the precise measurements of a powerful telescope, the human quest for meaning remains the same. We have seen how symbolic language in ancient myths transforms into the scientific language we use today, with each word and observation serving as a piece of the grand puzzle. This continuity highlights that curiosity is timeless and that wonder can be found in every corner of the cosmos. As we reflect on the ideas presented, consider the role that both myth and science play in shaping our views of the world. Myths remind us of the beauty and mystery inherent in life, while science provides the tools to explore and validate these wonders. Together, they foster a balanced approach to understanding that encourages both creative imagination and logical analysis. They invite us to celebrate uncertainty, embrace the unknown, and dare to ask bold questions. This dialogue between our past and present is not just an academic exercise, it is a celebration of the human spirit. It reminds us that every discovery, whether made millennia ago through storytelling or in today's labs, is a testament to our relentless pursuit of truth. Through myths, we capture our dreams and fears; through science, we glimpse the reality that lies beneath. Both endeavors inspire us to look up at the stars and imagine a universe teeming with possibilities. If you have enjoyed this journey as much as we have, please consider subscribing and joining our community. Let us know in the comments which myth or scientific discovery touched your heart, and share your own story of wonder. Our channel is a space where curiosity fuels extraordinary conversations, bringing together diverse perspectives from across the globe. Remember, the exploration of our universe is a continuous adventure. Every new discovery builds on the ancient foundations laid by our ancestors, creating a tapestry of knowledge that spans time and space. As you step away from this video, carry with you the message that wonder lives in every question asked and every mystery unveiled. Thank you for joining us on this intellectual odyssey, and may your journey of discovery continue with passion and perseverance. Let this video be a reminder that the bridge between myth and science is built on our shared human experience. Every question we ask, every mystery we encounter, serves as a stepping stone toward a greater understanding of the universe. The stories of our past are not relics confined to history books. They continue to live through our modern quests for truth. In every myth, in every scientific theory, there is a spark of inspiration that has the power to change how we see the world. Whether you are a curious newcomer or a seasoned explorer of knowledge, remember that the pursuit of wisdom is an endless journey. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and let the wonders of the universe guide you in every step you take with endless curiosity.